Hi everybody, it's Jason from the Bead Gallery, and in this installment of Tool Time in Less Than 5 Minutes, we're going to talk and make some jump rings. I'm going to show you how to flush cut and basically create a jump ring properly. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our wire right here, and we are going to create a jump ring. We're going to use our wrap and tap pliers to create this round, because jump rings for the most part are round, okay? And then we're going to do this. We're going to just make a few so I can show you this in 5 minutes or less, how to make a jump ring. And learn how to flush cut, which is very, very important. Because you don't want to have a ring that comes apart or just basically won't hold your piece together. Okay, so there's my jump ring coil. How's that? All right, nice and tight. Okay, very little space between. And then now we're going to choose our cutter. Well, both of these cutters cut 16 gauge wire. Okay, this is 18 gauge wire, so a little thinner. So they both cut up to 16 gauge. This one cuts flush. This one cuts ultra flush. Okay. Basically, what that means is this gives you a very flush cut. This one gives you an even more flush cut. Look how thin the blade is. You see there's a little bit of that blade right there. This one here, hardly any blade that rise up there. Okay, it's really, really thin, okay? So we're gonna do a few in the flush and a few in the ultra flush. So first thing you do is you're gonna face the ring towards you like this. You're gonna take the blade side, you're going to face the wire to you, just like that. We're going to thus angle it like this so that you get a straight angle. There, okay. You're going to flip your plier, move it up one, right there. Make sure that you're really close up against the first one that you snipped, and you're going to cut. Here's your first jump ring. Okay, pretty good. Let's do another one. We're just warming up here. So, blade down like that. Cover your work. Snip. Flip your plier. Move up to the next piece of wire. And cut. Okay. Once you get a rhythm going, which I'm going to do right here, you're going to start to get really nice, even jump rings. Okay, 3 flush cut ones. Let's try the ultra flush. Let's see if there's a different sound to it. There will be. There you go. I'm going to move up here. And then when I cut the last one, I'm going to show you guys. And that's a flush cut. Okay. And that's an ultra flush cut, and this is your flush cut. Okay. Pretty close. All right, and that's how we make jump rings. Using flush cutters and a wrap and tap plier. All right, guys, if you guys have any questions, please let us know. This is Jason from the Bead Gallery. Thanks for watching Tool Time, 5 minutes or less.